Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a kind of an interesting one. This 25-year-old fellow from rural Virginia came in May of 19, and he looked like this. And we did, I don't know, 2,500 grafts or so on him, giving him a more mature hairline. He's got a big color contrast, and he's got relatively fine hair. And so he rolled in November of 20, so about 18 months out, and he looked like this, and he did a little video. All right, I'm here with Steve, who we did in May of 2019, and today's December the 4th of 2020. How old a fellow are you? I can't remember.
28.
28. You came here with your parents.
Yep.
And your picture of you before is up to the right on this screen. And your curse is that you have fine hairs, and you're so fair-skinned, and at your youthful age, you still have dark hair. And you sent me a couple pictures, which I'll have put up in this video. How has it been this year?
It's been good. I mean, it was an interesting process. It takes a while, but you know, I'm happy with the results.
And was that pretty upfront with you? Did I tell you anything that was nonsense or anything?
No, everything you said was just straightforward.
And you just got to see a guy that just got done, and you told him that the first night, you drove 4 hours back to your home, that it hurt a fair amount the first day. Is that accurate?
Just a little headache, you know, just sitting in the car for 3.5 hours was a little rough. But then once I got back and then the rest of that night, I was fine the next morning.
Any advice you have for people that might be thinking about doing this?
It's well worth it. Don't keep on procrastinating. You know, it's worth the money and the investment. You know, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
Okay, and then lastly, I gave you my hairline, which is a mature hairline, and you're only 27 or 28.
Yeah.
It does look mature on you, but it's going to age well.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
and that was reasonable for you. I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time, Steve. And so, over and above that little video, while he was here, his dad signed up, and that's the first we've had. We've had dads do it, and then the son, or brothers do it, and uncles. But this is the first where the kid did it first.
Oh yeah, he sent the son first. He said.
Yeah. And so we did the father, same exact case, and the father brought in his brother, who unfortunately's got a bad heart, and I'm not interested in working on him, and the sister-in-law, who we may end up working with. But I've already heard from the patient in this video, and he signed up for a second one to work on that crown after the spring is over.
Yeah.
So we like working on families, and notice that in this younger guy, we give him a more mature hairline.
I know, and you know, but this is the kind of videos that I understand why you do that mature hairline. If you were not to do that, then we wouldn't have much to cover in there, and then he would be. And now it's like.
And he'd look funny looking when he was 36.
Yeah.
Or 46. Or 56.
Yeah.
So if we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.